Welcome to this captivating episode where we uncover the remarkable story of UpKeep, a company that's changing the game in maintenance management. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. And today we're going to take a look at how a simple idea evolved into a leading player in the maintenance management software arena, all on a shoestring budget. You'll learn how we harnessed modern cloud and smartphone technology to create an innovative, user-friendly solution for maintenance teams, and hear about our journey to success. Let's get started. 3 years ago, while working as a process development engineer at a membrane manufacturing plant, I noticed a significant problem. Our maintenance team was bogged down by cumbersome paper-based processes for recording work done in the plant. From broken equipment to simple filter replacements, everything resulted in stacks of easily lost paperwork. This observation sparked an idea that would change everything. With modern cloud and smartphone technology at our fingertips, I believed there had to be a better way. That's when UpKeep was born. A mobile-first solution for maintenance management that technicians actually enjoy using. It's as simple as taking a picture of the broken equipment, creating a work order, and sending it off for repair, all from a mobile device. Today, UpKeep boasts over 40,000 users, including major companies like Stericycle and Unilever, who have experienced firsthand the benefits of this innovative tool. Reflecting on our journey, it's clear that our success stems from taking small, consistent steps toward our mission every day. We didn't just build software, we focused on making user-friendly technology accessible to those who needed it most, blue-collar workers. Our goal was never about replacing jobs with AI or machine learning. It was about empowering these workers to be twice as productive and gain the recognition they deserve for their essential work. The path to where we are today was far from easy. In the early days, I juggled learning to code with my full-time job as an engineer. I attended night classes in iOS and web development and gradually transitioned to working on UpKeep full-time. I even found our first web developer on Reddit who believed in the vision and agreed to work within our modest budget. As our user base grew, we transitioned from a completely free product to a paid one, achieving profitability without initial venture capital investment. And today I'm thrilled to share that UpKeep has closed a $2.7 million seed round with support from prestigious investors like Y Combinator, Bain Capital Ventures, and many others. This funding marks a significant milestone and opens up even more possibilities for us to continue raising the bar in the industry. As we look to the future, the excitement only grows. There are no limits to what our team can achieve, and every day we see the industry standards being pushed further. We don't know where the bar will be set next, but one thing is for sure: we'll never stop trying to raise it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Today we've explored the story of UpKeep, its inception, the challenges we faced, and our success. We've highlighted how we've revolutionized maintenance management with a user-friendly, mobile-first solution, empowering workers to be more productive. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more details about UpKeep, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay tuned and keep raising the bar with UpKeep.